we're going to start with review for chapter 11.1, 11.4. And this is probability concepts. Let's start with problem number 1. In this problem we have, it says a 1 6-sided die is rolled. Find the probability of 3 or 5. So what is the sample space here? The sample space, since you are rolling a die, the sample space, is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So what is the probability of either 3 or a 5? So the probability of 3 or 5 is going to be probability of 3 plus the probability of 5, because you're adding those two probabilities of the two events are completely independent. So what the probability of 3 is 1 out of 6 plus, again, probability of 5 is 1 out of 6. So this probability is 2 6s or 1/3. Okay, that's problem number 1. Problem number 2, we have a table where we have some, in this table we have describes the smoking habits of a group of asthma sufferers. So we have men and women, and they have 2 rows where this is for men and this is for women, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, which is not non-smokers, smoker, regular smoker, heavy smoker. And if in this specific table they're giving us the totals, so we don't have to keep adding like we're doing in classroom. You know, we're adding the columns. In this case they are giving us already the totals. This is the addition of these two amounts is 683, 81, 135, 92. The sum of all this the first row is 529. The sum of all the women is 462, and the total is 991 altogether. If one of the 991 people is randomly selected, find the probability of getting a regular or heavy smoker. This problem is similar to the previous one because we are getting a the probability of A or B, right? So we're going to have how many regular smokers. We have total 135. How many heavy smokers? 92. So we're going to be adding those two probabilities, 135 over 91 plus 92 over 991, and then the answer is going to give us the answer. So problem number 2, probability of we said a regular smoker plus a probability or a heavy smoker. So how much is that? Well, we have to find the probability of being a regular smoker is going to be the total of regular smokers, which in this case is 135, right? 135 over 991. Let me change my colors here to design. 135 over 991 plus heavy smokers, we have 92 over 991. So we have the same denominator. We write 991. On top we have 135 plus 92. And we have the answer. Let's see with my calculator. Bring it. Okay, so we have 7. 9 plus 3 is 12. We carry 1 to 27 over 991, and that is going to give me a total of 0.229. And that's the probability, which is also, we can write it as a percentage, 22.9%. If we're rounding it, will be 23%.